Good morning, this is Nathaniel from Highlands Green, and today I want to walk through with you the process from planting to the final product that you see in your hand when you get a bottle of our Highlands Green turmeric or turmeric black pepper. During the rainy season, starting sometime in July going into August, we will plant the turmeric and then we will let it grow during the rainy season. During that time, the turmeric fields have to be tended and weeded, and as the turmeric grows, you'll see beautiful green leaves, sometimes growing taller than my farmer Bobo. When it comes to the new year, in January, we can do harvesting. Okay, so we go into the harvesting phase of the turmeric, and here you see John, Tishan, Kim Tia, and myself. We are joining in the harvest. As you can see, the ground is very hard and very dry, and it takes a lot of work. It's very warm. After we harvest, we have to wash. Okay, and here you can see us washing the harvest. We use high pressure hoses and fresh running water to clean the turmeric, and the high pressure hoses allow us to get all the mud out of the little nooks and crannies that are, or the pits on the turmeric itself. After we wash the turmeric, we need to put it into the slicer, where we will slice it into thin slices so that the drying can be more even and can be better controlled. Now, when we go into the drying process, we put it into the greenhouse, and the greenhouse controls the temperature, and what normally takes 10 days is cut down to 3 days. We do not steam, we do not cook, we only dry. And you can see there is an exhaust fan, and it sucks out the hot air so that the turmeric is actually dried, not steamed. So in 3 days time, we can control the drying process, not more than 4 days. After we go through the drying process, we go into what we call the slow milling process, and we use these big brass plates to kind of mill over the turmeric, and if it's dried just right, it will crumble and turn to powder. If it is too humid, it will stick to the plates. So we just have to get it to the right temperature and the right humidity. So here we have our clean room where we control the temperature and the humidity, and that's how we store our turmeric. And finally, we will send the turmeric to our factory. It's a GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice certified factory, and we encapsulate the turmeric for packing into the bottles, and then you get your finished product. Thank you.